Sales by group. Now, this one I'll have to spend a little bit more time on, right? And this is something that resonates with all sellers, and it is very good if you have a lot of ASINs. Very, very good. So the purpose of this one here, right, is to say, I own a lipstick brand, right? And I've got 1,000 different shades of red, but I just want to know how my cherry red lipstick of my 1,000 lipsticks of my 1,100 are red, how just my cherry flavored are doing, and there's maybe like five. This is where we can do that. So what we can do is we can create a group by product or by brand, create the group, and then see how that group performs. So birthday cards is another great example, okay? Birthday cards for her, birthday cards for him, Christmas cards. I just want to know how my Christmas cards are doing over Christmas. That's all I care about in the world.
Hmm. Hmm.
This is where you can come in and see that. Okay, you can come in,
Hmm.
you can see Santa Claus, you know, the little reindeer, the elf on the shelf. These Christmas cards are performing absolutely excellent. Excellent. My other ones aren't performing so well. Okay,
Hmm.
and this is where you can kind of see that data. So if you've got lots of ASIN, this is the one for you. This is the one for you. Very,
Hmm.
very good.
Yeah, there's like different groups. Say we have, as you mentioned, like I don't know. Let's say we have a. I was doing some drawing. I have this. I started like drawing on clothes. So I had on my website here, wolverhampton.com. So let's say I have different brushes, right? So say we have, let's say big brushes and smaller brushes, or we have different, types of brushes. Let's say we sell 100 ASINs of brush, but some are brushes for clothes, actually, other brushes for walls. So we can group these to see only sales within these groups because we're like, okay, let's compare. If just thinking like the brushes for the wall, vs brushes for the clothes, and just see like maybe actually the clothes stuff is just more popular. But because I have so many ASINs and I have one well-performing ASIN saying the brushes for walls, I might think that they are actually overperforming. But then when I see them on bird eye view as a big category of brushes for clothes vs walls, then I might actually see that I don't know it's 70-30. Maybe the clothes stuff is better overall. So then I can make some strategic decisions based on that. I'd say so.
Spot on. Yeah, spot on. And the same goes with brands, right? You might have, be
Ooh,
selling a number of brands,
interesting.
right? And you want to know how my lipsticks are doing across, the 7 different brands that I own. They all sell lipsticks, right? This is where you can see
Hmm.
it. So
Hmm.
super powerful. Really,
Hmm.
really big, big time save. And
Hmm.
we can do this as like like a click and kind of thing, like I did a minute ago. Or we can do a downloaded template CSV kind of style and then do like a bulk upload as well.
Sorry, man. For a second I was sipping the coffee and I didn't. I missed what you said. I want to follow up.
No,
So
no, no,
could you
no,
repeat,
it's all
please?
good. I was just
Yeah,
so
yeah,
if you're creating a group and it's
yeah, yeah,
a like you might have like let's say you want like a 100 ASINs in there,
yeah,
it
yeah,
might be tedious to go through and click the button.
yeah.
So what we can do is we can download a template on a CSV and then you can manually upload it. So it's just a little bit quicker if you're doing like a big hit of ASINs to
Hmm.
everything.
Yeah, yeah. Understood.